Fix iPhone camera blurry. If the camera on your iPhone is consistently producing blurry images, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. 1. Clean the camera lens. The camera lens may be dirty or smudged, which can cause images to appear blurry. Use a clean, soft cloth to gently wipe the lens and remove any dirt, dust, or fingerprints. 2. Remove the case. If you're using a case or cover on your iPhone, it may be interfering with the camera's ability to focus properly. Try removing the case and taking photos to see if there's any improvement. 3. Check for software updates. Make sure your iPhone's operating system is up to date. Sometimes, software updates include bug fixes and improvements that can address camera issues. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update to check for and install any available updates. 4. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, simply restarting your iPhone can resolve temporary software glitches that may be affecting the camera. Press and hold the power button or the power button and volume down button on iPhone 10 and later models until the slide to power off slider appears. Slide it to power off your iPhone, then turn it back on again. 5. Reset camera settings. Resetting the camera settings to their default values can sometimes fix issues with the camera. Go to Settings, then Camera, then Reset Settings. Keep in mind that this will reset all camera settings to their default values. 6. Check camera app permissions. Make sure the camera app has permission to access the camera. Go to Settings, then Privacy, then Camera, and ensure that the toggle next to the camera app is enabled. 7. Test different camera modes. Try using different camera modes to see if the blurriness occurs in all modes or just specific ones. If the issue only occurs in certain modes, it may be related to software or hardware specific to that mode. 8. Contact Glasgow Repair Centre. If you've tried all of the above steps and are still experiencing blurry camera issues, there may be a hardware problem with your iPhone's camera. Contact Glasgow Repair Centre for further assistance and possible repair options. Thank you for watching.